So everybody's always asking us, what is the Dirty Kitchen? What does the name mean? What is it about?
Welcome to the Dirty Kitchen. This was an email that I received from a YouTuber named Elliot Hulse, and this was the philosophy that started the Dirty Kitchen, so I'm going to go ahead and read it for y'all. One of a favorite success quotes from Dan Kennedy is, "Success is cooked up in a dirty kitchen." The Dirty Kitchen is a place where experimentation happens, where ingredients are being mixed, where heat is being applied to elements, and where good old creative success is cooked up. When you're in the Dirty Kitchen, you're not following the recipe or cutting corners. You're putting your heart and soul into creating something new. When I started Strength Camp, training people in the city parks with trash, I was in the Dirty Kitchen. When I began uploading ugly, unedited YouTube videos, I was in the Dirty Kitchen. When I started holding live events and traveling the world teaching men how to grow stronger, I was in the Dirty Kitchen. For you, the Dirty Kitchen represents taking chances, being courageous, and adding something new to your business, relationship, strength gains, and life mastery. Each new idea, each new piece of advice, each new aha awakening I see the light moment in your life is the new ingredient to keep cooking up more success in the Dirty Kitchen of your life.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in with us today. We appreciate your support as always, and you can always find us on all the socials at Alpha Graphics West Ave on Instagram, at AG West Ave on Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. And don't forget the podcast, anchor.fm/The Dirty Kitchen. Thanks for watching.